Hello everybody, today we're going to be making some yummy potato soup with very interestingly cut carrots. That's the kicker here. But for real, this is a very simple and self-explanatory meal. I love drinking potato soup when I'm feeling kind of sick, which I think this is a great time for. Not being sick, but the fact that a lot of people are sick right now. It's back to school, back to little child sicknesses, back to just fall, cold weather, and it's nice to have something to warm you up. So first of all, you're gonna go ahead and cut up some onion, and then you're gonna go ahead and cut up some potato. 12 potatoes to be exact, but I guess you can gauge based on the size of the potatoes. Guys, don't go crazy with the potatoes. But it makes sense that we're going to cut potatoes while making potato soup. So there is that. And then you're going to go ahead and cut up 6 carrots as well. Make them nice and tiny and cute. And we will be cutting some interesting little peeling ones later. Peely ones. But yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and take all of those ingredients and some olive oil and throw it all in a pot. So sorry, I'm so sorry. Start off with some toom. Toom is garlic in English. I interchangeably speak in Arabic and in English all the time, and it's funny because some words make more sense in Arabic than in English, even though there is common translation. So I don't know. Do you guys do that? For those of you that speak different languages, do you guys interchange a lot too, or do you like to speak one more than the other, or how does that work? It's actually kind of sad because I'm at college right now, and unfortunately, I don't speak that much Arabic anymore because I'm not with my family. So I'm trying very hard to keep it up when I talk to myself, as all sane people do. And and yeah, I'm just digging myself into a deeper hole, so I'm gonna stop now because we have moved on to adding our potatoes and our spices to our soup. So go ahead and add all those in. Some vegetable broth powder, some pepper, some salt, and then some boiling hot water. So remember, we got our onions, our potatoes in here, and garlic for now. And then we're going to add our carrots in a bit, don't you worry. But we want these to soak up a little bit and get a little bit mushy and not... I think tender. Tender is when they're mushy. Yes, we want them to become tender. And so that we can use we're not using a food processor, we're using like a handheld one just to mush them all up. I'm sure you can use just any sort of masher, but this is just more efficient and it takes like a lot less time. So I would suggest to invest in one of these personally. But yeah, I think this gadget is like top like 3 on the list of kitchen gadgets. I think the Ninja Creamy, which is like the blender, and then an air fryer. I think those are the most top tier kitchen gadgets, personally. But anyways, you're just going to throw those carrots in, which is, I know, and now that you throw them in, it seems like there's not a whole lot of carrot amongst the mass of potato. But, that's okay, because you're going to taste it. Don't worry. And then on the side, you're going to add some vermicelli. This is a nice little touch to soup, and I've noticed that a lot of Middle Eastern soups have this vermicelli in it. I don't know why or what the obsession is, and I don't even know what it tastes like, but I guess like the texture is kind of nice. It adds a little something to the soup. And you're just going to get those a little bit brown. Do not burn them, or try your best not to burn them, because that's on you if that happens, because I just warned you. And then put it in the potato soup. And this is almost ready to go. By the way, this is all occurring on medium to low heat. Once again, we don't want anything burning. And then it's going to start boiling. Make sure it doesn't overflow at that point. Now we're going to move on to our little curly carrots. You're going to coat a pan in olive oil, and you're going to peel the carrot using a peeler. Self-explanatory here. And then you're going to kind of turn them up into a little roll, like you're rolling up what was it called? Fruit by the foot, I think. That's what they were called. Those little like candy. You guys know what I'm talking about. Come on. And then you're going to put more olive oil on it and then cook it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And they become cute little roses, and they're such a cute decoration piece. And here's my grandma and my grandpa trying it, and they rate it happiness. That's great. 10 out of 10 for this potato carrot soup. We hope you guys enjoy this dish. It's super simple, super yummy, and super pretty. Like, look at that. If you serve that at like a gathering, you're gonna win the gathering. So let us know how that goes. And happy potato and carrot souping. Bye!